Today we will discuss a problem based on trigonometric function ratios of acute angle, and we compare two problems. Let us see trigonometric ratios of acute angle. See the problems. In right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, side BC is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, AB is equal to 3 cm, AC is equal to 5 cm. Then find trigonometric ratio for acute angle C. And in other problem, similar all the questions, and if find trigonometric ratio for acute angle A. What is the difference between the solution of these two problems whenever we have the same values of the sides? Let us see. Solution. Draw the right angle triangle. In question it is given that angle B is equal to 90, so we must write here B. For problem 2, again we draw a right angle triangle and angle B is equal to 90, so we must write here B. For angle C, for angle A. Now, in last videos, our problem not gives the particular angle for which we find the trigonometric ratio. So, we write anywhere what we want. But in this problem, we find the trigonometric ratio for acute angle C, so we must write here alphabet C. Now the rest of is E. And in second problem, find trigonometric ratio for acute angle A. For acute angle A, so we must write here A, and the rest is C. That is the main difference of about two problems. The acute angle for which we find the trigonometric ratio must be right here. Now this is the base, and side BC in question is given 4 cm, side AB is equal to 3 cm, and AC is equal to 5 cm. For angle A, for second problem, here BC is equal to 4 cm, AB is equal to 3 cm and AC is equal to 5 cm. Now we can see the difference between the diagram. When we change the acute angle or label of the diagram, and what is the change? The base for angle C convert into the perpendicular for angle A, and the perpendicular for angle C is the base for angle A. That is the overall difference between these two problems when a particular angle given in question for which we find the trigonometric ratio, and the rest of the method is same. Let us see, sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Here base is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is 3 upon 4. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, that is 4 upon 3. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, that is 5 upon 4. And cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is 5 upon 3. For this diagram, sin theta is equal to perpendicular hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is 4, hypotenuse is 5. See here, the difference is for angle C, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, where the perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. But for angle A, perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. We just see that there is a similarity, that is the hypotenuse is same but the base and perpendicular interchange. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Here base is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is 4, base is 3. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, 3 by 4. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, that is 5 upon 3. And cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, 5 upon 4. Thank you.